This is Raptor-X. It's my design. I'm going to teach you how to fold it. Okay. Get your paper. You're going to fold this like that. Then you want to crease these pretty well. Then you're going to fold this edge to this edge. Okay. Then you should have it like this. I'm gonna fold this like that. Then flip it over to this side. So you should have it like that. Then you're gonna fold this like that. Now you should be here. Then open this up, so it's the square. Then flip it from this side to this side. You're gonna grab this edge and fold it like that. So it's like that. Then you're gonna grab the other side and fold it exactly like that. Like that. Okay. You're gonna fold this, and this, and this, like that. Then make sure it's all even. Then you're gonna fold it away from you, like this. Then you're gonna open it up, fold to here, fold this, like that. Crease it pretty well, then open it up, and fold this down to the crease you just made. Like that, then open that up. You can fold this down to the crease you just made. And you're gonna open it up and fold this back like this, and this back down here. And then you're gonna fold the back away from you. And there should be a crease like made already here. For that, then you're gonna grab this, fold it up like that to make one wing. Then grab this, fold it up like that for the other wing. So it's like that. Then grab this and then fold this up for another wing. Then grab this and then fold this up for another wing. And you're here. And then you're gonna open the wings down like that. And open this up. And then you're gonna fold it. You're gonna jet fold this like that. And get the jet look of it. Then you're gonna fold up these wings, the ones you made. So it's like this. So you got the wings folded up like that. Now, there's going to be 2 layers here. Grab one of them, bring them up as high as you can, and then fold this like that. So it's like that. Now you're gonna like turn it like, gonna grab this and fold it that way. So it kind of locks, and then gonna do that again. Like this. Then you're gonna fold this under the wing. And there you have it.